This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Microsoft Teams and signing in with the account that will record. Recording may require a work or school tenant. Once signed in, make sure your microphone and speakers are selected in settings so audio captures cleanly. Also close streaming or upload apps to reduce lag. This helps keep the call in sync. Finally, join or start the meeting now so you can access the meeting controls. Recording must be initiated from inside the live meeting. Once in the meeting, open More Actions and select Start Recording and Transcription. You must be permitted to record. You should say aloud that you're recording so participants consent. Make sure the organizer stays or assign recording to an attendee if needed, because some tenants stop recording when the organizer leaves. Keep an eye on the red recording indicator and participant audio levels. If something sounds wrong, pause or stop and restart to ensure a continuous file. To finish, stop the recording for more actions or end the meeting. Teams finalizes the file after the meeting ends. Once processed, you'll find the recording link in the meeting chat and in OneDrive/SharePoint or Stream depending on your tenant, so check both places. If the file doesn't appear, make sure processing isn't still running and verify you have download permissions. If problems persist, check admin retention policies and then re-record if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.